Welcome back to our mathematics class. Students, in the last class we have discussed about operations on rational numbers, that is addition and subtraction on rational number. Today I am going to discuss about the rest of the two operations, multiplication and division on rational numbers. Before going to start, a small reminder is there. Those who are not copied down the exercise given, examples, definitions, etc., please do it now itself. Now we can go to multiplication of numbers. While multiplying a rational number by an integer, we multiply the numerator by that integer, keeping the same denominator. For example, minus 6 by 5 multiplied by minus 2. Minus 6 by 5 is multiplied with minus 2 means the numerator minus 6 is multiplied with the integer minus 2 whole divided by the denominator 5. Negative multiplied by negative gives positive integer. So we got 12 upon 5. It can be written as 2 integer 2 by 5. If we treat the integer minus 2 as a rational number, minus 2 upon 1, then also we can do it with minus 2 upon 1 multiplied by minus 6 upon 5. Just like the multiplication of fraction, you can continue. Multiplying a rational number by another rational number means multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. For example, 2 by 3 multiplied by minus 5 upon 9. That is 2 multiplied by minus 5 whole divided by 3 multiplied by 9 gives minus 10 upon 27. Next is reciprocal. Another word is multiplicative inverse. What is the meaning of reciprocal? If we multiply any two rational numbers, the product is 1, then the two rational numbers are said to be the reciprocals of each other. Minus 4 upon 9 multiplied by minus 9 upon 4 equal to 1. So, minus 4 upon 9 is the reciprocal of minus 9 upon 4 and minus 9 upon 4 is the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 9. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 upon 2. Similarly, the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 5 is minus 5 upon 4. That means to write the reciprocal, we are not changing the sign. We are just changing the numerator and denominator only. Sign will remain the same. Next is our last operation on rational number, that is division on rational numbers. While dividing a rational number by another rational number, we multiply the rational number by the reciprocal of the other. For example, 2 by 3 divided by minus 7 upon 8. That is 2 by 3 multiplied by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 8. That is 2 upon 3 multiplied by minus 8 upon 7. Now 2 multiplied by minus 8 whole divided by 3 multiplied by 7 gives minus 16 upon 21. Next, question number 3, find the product. Product of two rational number means multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. If any common factor is there in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel it, you will get the answer. So we can start writing the answer like this way. 3 upon 10 into minus 9 upon 1 or minus 9 equal to 3 upon 10 multiplied by minus 9 upon 1. We can apply the rule of multiplication of two rational numbers. That is, multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. That is 3 into minus 9 upon 10 multiplied by 1. There is no common factor between numerator and denominator, so we can't cancel anything. So the answer will be 3 multiplied by minus 9 gives minus 27 upon 10. Or it can be written as minus 2 integer 7 upon 10. Next is 3 by 7 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5. 3 by 7 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5 equal to product of two rational numbers means product of the numerators upon product of the denominators. That is 3 into minus 2 upon 7 into 5. That gives 3 into minus 2 minus 6 upon 7 5s are 35. So the answer is minus 6 upon 35. Next is question number 4. Find the value of the first question, minus 4 divided by 2 upon 3. Division of two rational numbers means take the reciprocal of the second number and then multiply. So we can apply the rule over here and we can find the answer. So minus 4 divided by 2 by 3 can be written as minus 4 upon 1. We are dealing with a rational number. It is represented in the form of p by q. So instead of minus 4, I have to write minus 4 upon 1 divided by 2 upon 3. Now we can apply the rule of division of rational number. Means we can write the first number as it is. Then division will become multiplication. Then take the reciprocal of the next rational number. That is reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now it will become the multiplication of two rational numbers. That means multiply the numerators upon multiply the denominators. Here 2 and 4 is common, so we can cancel that one. So minus 2 into 3 gives minus 6 upon 1. So the answer is minus 6. Next is question number 5. Minus 2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 7. Here also we can apply the rule of division of rational numbers. Means minus 2 upon 13 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1 upon 7, that is 7 upon 1. Now apply the rule of multiplication of rational number. Multiply the product upon multiply the multiplication of rational number means multiply the numerator upon multiply the denominator. So we are getting minus 14 upon 13. That can be written as minus 1 integer 1 upon 13. Next is question number 7. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65 equal to 3 upon 13 multiplied by the reciprocal of minus 4 upon 65, that is 65 upon minus 4. Then apply the rule of multiplication of rational numbers, that is product of numerators upon product of denominators. 3 into 65 whole divided by 13 multiplied by minus 4. 13 one time, here it is 5. So we are getting 15 upon minus 4, or it can be same as minus 15 upon 4. This is improper fraction. So we can write it as minus 3 integer 3 upon 4. Children, we have discussed the operations on multiplication and division on rational numbers. So the related practice sums are given here. Try to solve this one.